Think Green, EVS Book of Class 4. Chapter 2, Inside Our Body. In this chapter, we shall understand about internal organs of human body and their functions. You know that how does a computer function? It functions because of the CPU, monitor, keyboard, etc. Similarly, our body is like a computer. It also works with the help of many parts. Look at your body and name some of its parts: hands, legs, eyes, fingers, etc. All these are external organs of our body. When we sleep, these organs take rest. But there are some organs inside our body which work all the time when we fall asleep. Brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, bones and muscles are the internal organs, and internal organs we cannot see easily. Each organ has a special task to perform. Number 1 is brain. Brain is a soft, delicate organ in our head protected by a hard skull. It is the control center of the body. All our body activities, heartbeat, movement, breathing, posture, etc. are controlled by the brain. Brain helps us to think and react to different situations. Human brain is like a supercomputer. Our sense organs send messages to the brain. The brain receives the messages and sends out signals through thread-like structures called nerves to different parts of the body. Actually, the brain is the command center of the entire body. Our brain needs a continuous supply of blood and oxygen to function. Did you know? The left side of the brain controls the right side, vice versa. Heart is inside our chest. It works for us day and night to keep us alive. Place your hand on the left side of your chest. Keep. What you will feel? You will feel that heartbeat. What does it beat all the time? The heart is a red-brown colored muscular organ. It pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels called arteries and veins. The arteries appear red in color and have thick walls. They carry pure blood from the heart to all parts of the body. This blood contains digested food, water and oxygen. The vein appear blue in color and carry blood towards the heart. This blood contains carbon dioxide. Our heart beats about 72 times in a minute. Yes, this is very important. The whole process continues and is called circulation of blood. The blood circulates through the body about 1,000 times a day. If you join all the arteries, the veins of the body, it would go halfway to the moon. Now next about lungs. On both sides of the heart are located two spongy air-fitted bags called lungs. Lungs help in taking oxygen in our body. We breathe in through our nose. The lungs grow bigger or expand. This is called inhalation. The lungs absorb oxygen from the air and send it to different parts of the body with the help of blood. The carbon dioxide brought by blood from different parts of the body is given out. When we breathe out, the lungs contract and carbon dioxide rich air is thrown out of the nose. This is called exhalation. Human beings normally breathe in and out about 15 times in a minute. Next is stomach. The stomach is another important body organ. It helps to digest the food that we eat. Our body breaks down into pieces, small enough to be absorbed by the blood. This process is known as digestion. The blood then distributes digested food to different parts of the body. What happens in indigestion? The breaking down of food into small substances that the body can use is called digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth as we chew our food, and the food is chewed properly and we swallow it. It moves down into a tube called the food pipe to our stomach. Our stomach is a muscular bag. The stomach wall releases digestive juices that mix with the food. The food gets churned into a paste. From our stomach, it passes into a long, thin tube called the small intestine. All along the way, the food is broken down more and more by the digestive juices. Blood absorbs the digested food through the walls of a small intestine. The blood carries the digested nutrients to all the parts of our body. Then undigested food passes into the large intestine and is later removed from the body as waste. It takes about 3 to 5 hours for our body to digest. Next is our liver is the largest internal organ of our body. It lies on the right side of the stomach below the rib cage. It helps in digesting the food. The liver makes a digestive juice called bile. That bile is very important. It digests fats by breaking food into food items like oil, butter into tiny droplets. We must avoid eating too much oily and spicy food. Kidneys, kidney beans. We all have 2 kidneys. They are bean shaped, reddish brown color. Organs placed in the abdomen towards our back. Our body produces waste products other than carbon dioxide. These are removed from the body by the kidneys. Kidneys filter the liquid waste from the blood and it is thrown out in the form of urine. We should drink plenty of water to help our kidneys remove the poisonous waste easily. Bones and muscles. Press your hand against your chest. You feel a hard structure. These are bones. Bones protect the soft and delicate organ of our body. They hold our body up and give it support and firm shape. There are 206 bones in a fully grown human being. These bones form the skeleton of human body. Muscles help the bones to move. They are fleshy tissue which are connected to the bones by cords called tendons. Contraction and relaxation of muscles causes movement of bones so that we can walk, run, jump or play. There are about 650 muscles in a human body. We need 200 muscles to take just one step. The strongest muscles are in the jaw. Keywords are here. Veins, the blue blood vessels which carry the impure blood to the heart. Artery, a tube that carries blood from the heart to the other body parts. Nutrients, substances needed by living things to live and grow. Bile, a digestive juice produced by liver. Skeleton, the framework of bones in our body. Tendons, strong fibers that connect muscles to bones. Students, these can be asked in any way like define or give one word or in the form of question also. Now things to remember. The different organs of our body work together as a system. Yes, it is. Brain, heart, lungs, liver, kidney, stomach, bones and muscles are the internal organs of our body. What are the internal organs of our body? Brain is the control center of the body. Yes, this is very important part of body. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. Important. Lungs and spongy air-filled bags which help in respiration, yes, taking oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide is also very important. Liver is the largest internal organ of our body. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs that help in throwing the liquid waste from the body. The stomach helps in digesting the food. Bones and muscles give shape and support to our body and help in movement. Now there are some exercises. There are some write the correct answer MCQs that you need to read and see from the back of the lesson if you have any confusion, and do it, match the columns and many exercises. Next are fill in the blanks. Recognize these body parts. Give the answer. High order thinking skill. This is very important. Why do we say that human body is like a machine? It works like a machine. It depends on many parts. And activities, place your forearm on the table. Now lift some weight towards without lifting your elbow. Observe the muscles of the forearm and upper arm. Record your observation. Yes, this observation is very important to be done. Daily you do that, but you do not observe yourself. Now you should need to observe yourself where your muscles are and what happens when you lift the weight. In this way, I hope you are able to understand about your body. Thank you. Stay connected with us. Like, subscribe and share. Do not forget so. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.